What a dog.
What up, nigga? You can't see the smoke at all. It's whack. Oh, wait. Keep your camera like that.
Okay.
What is that? Red light.
Is it red?
What the fuck, dude?
It's not red.
There's a red light, like an orb. I swear to God, bro. What?
Yeah, it's a...
Does it have a laser? Bro. Dude, there's like a bug.
Damn, it is.
Do you see the laser?
Yeah. You're not doing that?
No, it's
Is it
like
your
your forehead.
Really?
Where's it? Are you serious? You can see it? I can see it on the camera.
Yeah, it's a
Why
flash.
can't I see it in person?
Yours is red?
Wait, that's how high tech it is? It goes green when it's not on you?
Mm-hmm.
What the fuck? You did trip balls. You see this? That's not even crazy. It's just like a laser pointer.
Shit.
Sick.
I know it's sick.
It's a laser pointer.
Yeah, it's like kind of stuck there. You're not moving around.
It got stuck in the fucking house.
And we should start a song and record.